I bought an up-themed slime from Temu. I didn't know Temu had dye clay slimes. I'm shook. Look at the clay piece. The slime is pretty melted and sticky. Oh my splish splash. Russell would be so proud right now. Can the creator of this clay piece please stand up? I am going to try and assemble it like the picture. How did I do? Sorry, Mr. Fredrickson. Now you are homeless. It took a while to mix the clay in, but not bad. It smells a little like cake. Good pokes and pops. How much do you think this was?